diving into occult mysteries, alchemy and transformation. Welcome, seekers of esoteric knowledge. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the world of occult mysteries, focusing on the ancient practice of alchemy and its profound implications for transformation. 1. Introduction to alchemy. Alchemy, often shrouded in mystery and mystique, is an ancient tradition that combines elements of chemistry, physics, astrology, art, semiotics, metallurgy, medicine, and mysticism. Originating in Hellenistic Egypt, alchemy has been practiced in various forms across the world, from the Islamic world to medieval Europe and beyond. Its practitioners, known as alchemists, sought to transform base metals into noble metals like gold, and to discover the elixir of life, a substance believed to grant eternal youth and immortality. 2. The philosophical foundations. At its core, alchemy is deeply rooted in philosophy. It is not merely about the physical transformation of materials, but also about the spiritual transformation of the practitioner. Alchemists believed in the unity of all matter and the principle that everything in the universe is interconnected. This holistic view is encapsulated in the Hermetic maxim, "as above, so below," suggesting that changes in the heavens are mirrored on earth and within the human soul. 3. The alchemical process. The alchemical process is often symbolized through a series of stages, typically represented by colors: nigredo, blackening. This is the stage of putrefaction or decomposition. It symbolizes the breakdown of existing structures to make way for transformation. Psychologically, it represents confronting and integrating one's shadow self. Albedo, whitening. This stage signifies purification and enlightenment. In this phase, impurities are removed, leading to clarity and spiritual awakening. Citrinitas, yellowing. This stage is about the dawning of the solar light, representing the beginning of spiritual maturity and inner enlightenment. Rubedo, reddening. The final stage, where the material or spiritual goal is achieved. It symbolizes the attainment of the philosopher's stone or the completion of the great work. 4. Alchemical symbols and tools. Alchemists used a rich tapestry of symbols to convey complex ideas. Some of the most significant symbols include the Ouroboros, a serpent eating its own tail, representing the cyclical nature of the alchemical process and the concept of eternal return. The Philosopher's Stone, a mythical substance said to transform base metals into gold and grant immortality. The Aludel, an alchemical tool used in the sublimation process, symbolizing the ascent of spirit. 5. Alchemy and personal transformation. Beyond the physical and chemical experiments, alchemy is fundamentally about personal transformation. The process of turning lead into gold is an allegory for self-improvement and spiritual enlightenment. It encourages practitioners to reflect on their lives, confront their innermost fears and flaws, and strive for a higher state of being. This journey of self-discovery and transformation is at the heart of alchemical practice. 6. Alchemy in modern context. In contemporary times, alchemy's principles can be applied to personal growth and self-improvement. The concept of transforming one's inner lead, base instincts, unresolved issues, into inner gold, higher consciousness, self-actualization, is a powerful metaphor for personal development. Practices like meditation, mindfulness, and psychotherapy can be seen as modern alchemical tools that help individuals achieve this transformation. Remember, alchemy, with its rich history and profound symbolism, offers a unique lens through which to view the journey of personal and spiritual transformation. By embracing its teachings, we can embark on our own path of alchemical change, striving to turn our inner lead into gold and achieve a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of occult mysteries. If you found this lecture enlightening, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more esoteric insights.